I'm Dr. Ashoojit Kaur Anand. I'm a palliative care specialist and I run this program called Aveksha, which is a home-based primary care. And my clinical-based practice is at PCMH Restore Health at Sheshadipuram. I'm passionate about improving quality of life of people who are suffering because of an illness. It could be a short-time illness, it could be a long-term illness too. So I understand that your father has been diagnosed with cancer which cannot be treated further or has been diagnosed very late, and doctor has told that nothing further can be done regarding the treatment and has asked him to be taken home. And I understand that he is in a lot of pain. So yes, definitely we can help with the pain. The pain is, we have to look into as to what is causing this pain. It could be the cancer, the tumor itself which is pressing upon a nerve, or it could be a tumor from the bone which is causing the distress. So we need to know what type of cancer it is. It could have spread to various other parts of the body which is causing the pain, or it could also be the emotional pain, the psychological pain which is aggravating his pain. And there's another aspect, another dimension to the pain, which is the spiritual pain. Many a times when somebody is suffering from a long-term illness or a cancer, the question is, why am I having this pain? This is a spiritual pain where you are trying to find meaning to your suffering. And this can definitely be taken care by taking care of his physical pain as well as the other dimensions of the pain, which is the psychological, the spiritual, the financial pain, that is because of the losing out a lot of money in the past because of the treatment, investigations. So the pain can be controlled by a palliative care specialist. We have different steps in which the pain can be controlled. We start with very simple painkillers. What you normally know is the or the paracetamol or the Ibuprofen, and then we move to the next step, if this doesn't help, something called the weak opioids, and then we have the next step is the stronger opioids, which everybody has heard about, is the morphine. And that is where that controls the pain and improves the quality of life of a person who has been diagnosed with a long-term illness.